What if the solution has already happened, just not often enough? That's the magic behind exception finding in solution-focused therapy. It's the art of identifying the moments when the problem didn't happen or was less intense or handled better. Because even in struggle, there are exceptions. Small breaks in the pattern, glimpses of success, and those moments hold the key to change. Here's the idea. Problems are rarely constant. They may feel overwhelming, but they ebb and flow. And in those moments of relief, even tiny ones, clients are often already doing something different. They're coping. They're managing. They're accessing strengths they might not even realize they have. The therapist's role is to help spot those moments, to ask, when was the last time this wasn't a problem? Or tell me about a time this felt a little better. Or even, how did you make it through yesterday? These aren't just small talk. They are solution talk. They uncover patterns of success that can be repeated, refined, and strengthened. Let's say a client comes in overwhelmed with social anxiety. Instead of diving into all the times they avoided events, we might ask, was there ever a time when you did go and it was less difficult? What was different about that day? How did you prepare for it? And then, crucially, what did you do to make that happen? This question puts the power back in the client's hands. It reframes them not as passive sufferers, but as active agents in their own progress. Even if the exception was just 5 minutes or a single breath of calm, we highlight it. We explore it. We amplify it. Because what worked once can work again. And when we study those exceptions, clients begin to realize they already have tools. They already have proof. They're not starting from zero. Sometimes the exception isn't about solving the problem. It's about enduring it with more stability. It's when someone kept going, showed up, made a choice that aligned with who they want to be. That's resilience, and SFT helps bring it into the light. Exception finding is also deeply respectful. It assumes that clients are already doing the best they can, that they've already survived harder days, and that their strengths are just waiting to be noticed. When we focus on exceptions, we're not ignoring the problem. We're just choosing to build on what's already working. And for many clients, that shift from broken to capable is everything. So next time you're sitting with someone who feels stuck, ask, when have things been just a little bit better? What did you do then that helped? And how can we grow that moment into something bigger? Because change doesn't always start from scratch. Sometimes it starts from the smallest exception and grows into a future that feels entirely new,